Why does your body go hic out of nowhere? Let's find out. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm gets a little twitchy. It suddenly contracts, making you suck in air super fast. This rush of air hits your vocal cords, slamming them shut. Boom, that classic hic sound pops out. But what sets off the hiccup alarm? Eating too quickly can trigger hiccups. Gulping fizzy drinks can trigger hiccups. Laughing a lot can trigger hiccups. Sometimes hiccups just show up for no reason at all. The good news? Most hiccups stop on their own. But next time you're hiccuping in the middle of class or dinner, you'll know what's going on inside your body. Next time you hiccup, you'll know why. Subscribe for more fun body science.